With the renewed interest in solid hardwood furniture, one of the most common questions we get is, how much does it cost? Well, to be honest, the cost can vary. So in this video, we're going to break down the different variables that go into the cost of solid hardwood furniture. One of the major factors you see in terms of the cost of solid hardwood is the type of hardwood that is used. Hardwood is naturally denser, can take longer to grow, can be more rare. Some examples of hardwoods that you see commonly are alder, aspen, hickory, mahogany, maple, oak, just to name a few. All of those are great options and all will cost different based on how the species grows, but they will all give you that lifetime heirloom quality that you're looking for in solid hardwood furniture. Another feature of cost of solid hardwood furniture is the size of it. The bigger the piece, the more tree it uses, the more it is going to cost. You don't really see that with veneered products just because, it's not even real wood in some cases and they just simply have to print off something new. But with solid hardwood furniture, if you have a larger piece, it will cost more. We always recommend, if you can, to get an interior designer involved so they can assess your space and your budget and find the perfect size table or solid hardwood product that you're looking for. Another feature of solid hardwood furniture that plays into cost is the craftsmanship involved. There are a lot of different construction techniques that are used in solid hardwood furniture. Just to name a few, you would see soft closed drawers, floating panels, mortise and tenon joints. All of these techniques and features play into the cost of your solid hardwood product. So with all this information, you're probably asking, well, how much does it cost? We see on average solid hardwood furniture ranging anywhere from $299 to $5,000, depending on the piece that you select. That might seem like a little bit more upfront than the veneer alternatives, but again, remember that it's gonna be in your family for generations most likely. You're gonna get a lifetime use out of your solid hardwood furniture product. So I hope this video cleared up some questions that you had about the cost of solid hardwood furniture. If you'd like more information or just to be a scholar of the Furniture Academy, be sure to check out the links in the description. Also subscribe to us and hit that notification bell.